the headset.
Special vlog है actually दादा का. This is going to be a special vlog.
Oops, sorry, I was just lost in the music. I was listening music through these headphones, so I was just lost in the music. So today's video is about these headphones. So welcome back to the channel. Without wasting much time, let's get on with the unboxing and I let you know what these headphones is all about. So let's get to it. So this is the package. So this is what the package is all about. Sony WH-XB900N extra bass headphones. Now it supports 360 reality audio. It comes with Google Assistant and Alexa built-in. 30 hours on Bluetooth. That means on battery it will provide 30 hours of non-stop playback of music. Wireless noise cancelling. So this has ANC support. And these are in Chinese, I guess. And Google Assistant and Alexa are not available in all languages and countries or regions. Here Sony Asia support, Sony EU support. This for European. Made in China. Actually all products are made in China itself, so
Oh my god, too loud!
C means fast charging. Headphone cable, carrying pouch, and made in China again. Extra bass, here it is written, and let's see at the back side. So this is an extra bass headphone. So it is written as overwhelmingly deep bass and clear vocal. Customize the surround effect equalizer function with the Sony Headphone Connect app. Ambient sound mode imports ambient sounds and mixes them with music. So that means whenever you want outside music inside your ears, you can do that with the help of a tap. As it comes with touch controls. Yeah, this headphone is unique as it supports touch controls, and as far as I have heard with the reviews, the touch controls are really good on this headphone. So that's a unique feature. It has hands-free calling with HD voice, 10 minutes of charge, and it provides playback of 60 minutes. Music playback maximum time is 30 hours. So with one charge you can get 30 hours of playtime. Voice assistant function, this is compatible with Google app and Siri. USB Type-C cable, so that's what it has. Fast charging support. Headphone cable is there, carrying pouch is there. And what else? It has Sense Engine. LDAC, Sony's proprietary codec. Suppose you have 320 kbps music in your phone, it will upscale it so that you will get a rich audio in your headphone. Digital noise cancellation is there, also digital surround sound enhancement engine, and this is one of the main things, Qualcomm aptX HD support is also there. So this headset has SBC, AAC, Qualcomm aptX. Qualcomm also you get the lower resolution codec also is there, so that is also supported. And what else? All the codecs that are supported in this headphone are also supported in 1000 XM3s or the newly launched 1000 XM4s. Yeah, I think the noise cancellation, as far as I have heard from the reviews, the noise cancellation is not that much effective on this headphone as For the higher models, obviously higher models will provide a lot more noise cancellation, but the one thing I have heard is that the bass on these headphones, it overpowers even the higher end flagship headphones from Sony. My love for Sony is really old, so that's why I went for Sony. And mainly because it has more features, and also deep bass support, and all the codecs supported here, these are not actually supported in Bose QC2 headphones. So that's it. So let's open this package and let's see the box contents. Where to open? Yeah, from here. I don't need this then. So it opens from here, and I think you need to slide it out. This is another box within this cover. So this is the box. It opens from this side. Okay, so these are the headphones. As you can see, easy setup, configuration sensilia, installation facile configuration. I don't know what kind of language is that. I'm not aware of that. Maybe some different languages, Italian or something like that. Now let's keep the headphones aside and let's see what we get inside the box. So inside the box, so this is the carrying pouch. This headphone costs around 17,000. Even lesser cheap headphones, it comes with a case, and this came with a pouch. So what the hell, Sony? You could have given a carrying case, not a pouch. Anyways, something is better than nothing. And what we get here is this USB Type-C cable, and it's a old 3.5mm jack. Now 3.5mm jacks are getting eliminated from our mobile phones, so mostly I will use it for Bluetooth purpose only. None of the phones that I have this 3.5mm jack. So what we get here, it's I think this is the guide, one is the warranty, I think warranty one, this 360 audio music. So let me see, when was this headset manufactured? Was it of last year or was it this year? So as you can see, this is August 2020 month and year of export. The price here is 19,990, but on Amazon sale I got it for 16,990, and on top of that there was 10% discount on HDFC cards. So that's it about the unboxing. Now this is the headset. It looks very premium. That's why I opt for this. The cushion, the leather, it all feels very premium. Might not be of that much quality like the Sony 1000 XM4s or XM3s, but this band, this is very soft leather which I can feel. And let me see the extent one. Yeah, it is plastic built, not metal, but it doesn't feel cheap, and if I extend it there is no squeaking sound like my Motorola headphone, which you might see it later or before this. There is no squeaking sound like the Motorola headphone, so that speaks volume of the quality of the headset. So this custom button, I think this can trigger voice assistant and all, and this is the power on off button and type C for charging, so it supports fast charging, and a 3.5 mm jack is present. I think the controls here are on the right hand side, and let me switch it on and let's see whether any juice is there. Yeah, juice is there. For your reference, this is how my camera mic sounds. Mic testing 1 2 3, mic testing 1 2 3. I'm recording this part of the video through the lapel mic. This is for your reference only, so that you can judge how the mic of the WH900 headset works. So mic testing 1 2 3, mic testing 1 2 3. I'm recording this part of the video through the inbuilt mic of my WH900 headset. So let me know how my voice sounds. Mic testing 1 2 3, mic testing 1 2 3. Let me tell you about this headset a bit. Now let me first tell you how it looks on the ears. This is how it looks from the right hand side. This is how it looks from the left hand side. Now as you can see, this looks really premium on the head. The build is top notch from Sony. These extension parts are plasticky, but it doesn't have those squeaking sound as you have seen from my Motorola video. That headset had squeaking sounds all over. The build is top notch. The leather is very premium. On the top of the head it is very soft, as well as on the cups. This leather is very premium. On the ear it really gets punchy, like the headset vibrates when you have punchy music on the ears, but the music and everything you can control it through the Sony app. Now let me tell you about the controls. The control is like, on the left hand side the first button is the power on off button. It also acts as a pairing button. Beside that there is a customizable button. Now this button, you can customize it to summon your voice assistant, or you can have active noise cancellation on and off, or else you can have ambient sound control through this button, which is customizable through your Sony app. On the right hand side you have a touch panel. The touch panel is like, volume up is swipe up, volume down is swipe down. Right hand side swipe is your next track, left hand side swipe is your previous track. And on the middle, if you press it, you can play or pause your music. You can also take calls through the middle press and reject calls through a longer press in the middle. So that's it about the controls, and the controls are really good. During my short usage, I didn't have any accidental control problems and something like that. And this is how it packs up. You can really take it into your luggage. It will not take much space in your luggage bags. And what else about this headset is, once you press it here, the music will not stop playing, but the volume will go down so that you can hear what is happening around you. And the moment you release it, your volume of the music will again go up. So that's a unique feature of this headset. That's all about the headset. I'll give you my in-depth review once I use it thoroughly for a couple of days. So give it a like if you have liked this video. A subscribe to this channel will really motivate me to make more interesting videos in the future. So stay tuned for more interesting videos. All these products whichever you have seen in my videos and all are bought by me for my personal use and through my hard-earned money. So a subscribe will really motivate me to make interesting videos for you guys. So that's it. We'll meet again in my next video. Stay safe, stay indoors as much as possible, wear a mask when you are going outside, go outside only if required to. Remember, the pandemic is still out there and is ruining our lives still. So we'll meet again in my next video. Till then, ciao.